Hello everyone, today we talk about Ethereum on strong support 3,770 US dollar bull market. And as you can see in here that yesterday the Ethereum can close above this strong blue color in here horizontal line. Why? Because we ever close in May, this is the all-time high in here, and also we close all-time high same in the August. But in the October we break this line and then we come back to test the support in the last, I think in the last 5 weeks, 1 2 3 4 5. So far 5 weeks we retest this line and we still on the super strong because we goes above this blue line. Now we opened another new weekly candle. In Monday, if the price is going down, I think it's the simple, don't need to worry. Why? Because you see the week in the 29 November, this is the week. Now next we have the week, and last week we have the week. The people said when the price is 3,700, said no, it's going down to 3,000. No, it's not. They can hold the line and they can close above this line. That's why I'm telling you that this is the very strong support. Even if in here we break this is just a great to another week. That's why I'm telling you this is a very positive direction. After that, you can see about the Ethereum dominance. Look, in the Ethereum dominance, wait a minute. In the Ethereum dominance, look, they are perfectly retest this blue line. What is this blue line? Let's zoom out. Look, since the halving, this blue line is about to test the upper support. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So far, since the halving, we already hit 4 times this support. That's why I'm telling you that Ethereum dominance gonna be stronger and stronger. And here is the support so far from the, you draw the parallel line. So you can see that in this area, they just have the fake out, and fake out. But if you zooming in, look, after the very big pump for the Ethereum dominance, they come to another 3 weeks to test the support, and you can see here, they are now perfectly hit this blue line. That's why this week is very important. If we can hold the line, I think the next bull market, the Ethereum dominance gonna be stronger than ever. Maybe the next target is around 32% in here. It's possible because we ever hit this many times since the halving. That's why hitting the all-time high in here is the very possible. Other than that, if you can see about the Ethereum Bitcoin, like in here, you can see that we already break in the late November. We already break this line, as I already told you that the pennant bullish triangle already break going to up in the very strong 13%. And now for another 3 weeks, they just going to sideways. Even if there is a crash, people say crash, but for me it's just the the test like the sideways, so not a crash. Look, 1 2 3 weeks. Even last week we closed above. We closed positive in the weekly candle for the Ethereum Bitcoin. That's why even this today there is a negative result, but I still bullish about this week. As I told you that the 21 in December is the very bullish date because Sun in Capricorn. That's why I'm telling you I'm still bullish, maybe just a little bit sideways and just another going to up. Maybe you need to see about the Bitcoin itself. Let's move a bit about the Bitcoin. Look, I told you that 56 moving average is very strong. They hit in here in the July and then we hit again in here. So look, this is a very similar. Wait, let's head first. Look, very similar, and this is a very strong support, right? I don't think if we just going to below. Why? Because the desperation in July over when hit this blue line, this the moving average. And if you zooming about day, the day is very perfect. Tomorrow is 21 December. And then if you zooming out, look, the bull is starting the 21 July. So another 6 months from the 21 July, the 21 December gonna be the last 6 months. So you need to wait about the next. But even if the tomorrow uh, there is another sideways, not going up, not going down, it doesn't mean that the sun in Capricorn is failed. Because previously I told you we have the sun Capricorn here. Sun in Capricorn didn't work perfectly at 21 December. You need to wait a little longer. For example, I told you what is about the crash? About the crash in 20 and 18. Wait, let's move a bit in here. Look, this is the, if you can see, the 22 January 18 is the sun in Capricorn. Sorry, the Mercury sextile Jupiter. If you see the Mercury sextile Jupiter happen in here. However, the peak start earlier, around 5 weeks before this period, because you see the weekly. So there is a gap, 5 week, but it's still in line. Why? Because it is in line. If you change this to the monthly candle, wait a minute. Oh, there is some error in. Oops, I think I forgot charger. Okay, look in here. Let's head first. Look in here. The bullish actually over in January, right? Look, the Mercury sextile Jupiter end up in the January. But if you see what happened in here in the December is the week. The week is about 19%. 19,000 US dollar in here. But the bull end up in the January. That's why I'm told you that the week in here in the weekly chart is creating the week for the monthly chart. That's why in here I'm still saying that this is the perfectly momentum that we are going to top, even if in the weekly chart have the 5 week delay. So this is the worst plan scenario because 5 week we need to wait 5 week. But I think 5 week is the didn't the very big gap. Why? Because if you playing the bullish start in the 20 and 15, so we have another 3 years over the bullish, right? But in here it's just the 5 week. That's why it's not a big issue. That's why I'm telling you it's same like the Mercury sextile Jupiter in here. Look, in this monthly chart we are still in here. We have the sun in Capricorn, we have Mercury sextile Jupiter. What happened in the 11 December? That's why we need to wait. We need to wait in the weekly chart. We need to wait in the monthly chart. But I'm telling you that the sun in Capricorn, I think we can use the weekly time frame because I want to see this is going up. But let's see. We need the time. Everything just need to wait and don't expect the instant bullish because everything is about the time. I think that's for today. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and give your like button.